BTSC at 0160, trying to make its way back up here. We see that happening right now. Looks to be a gap over here at 0135 and 0138. I am going to mark that down just so we have that for the record. There is another gap down here at the bottom that just never filled. Keep that in mind at the 008. But either way, you guys had this pop up right here, just all over the place, in my personal opinion. I mean, look at up here, spinning tops all over. Looks like gapped here, just got beat down with selling, whatever the case might be. But look at, I mean, spinning top after spinning top, no regular moves here, in my personal opinion, as far as what I like to see open and closes. You know how it is. I like to see a close right here and open here the next day, climb, close here, open there. You know what I mean? That nice steady climb, just steady moves, kind of like what you see going on in right in here. Nice steady moves, no major moves up and down. We just didn't have that back in here in the beginning. With that being said, this one was requested over here on Investors Hangout, and we're going to take a look at it. You guys have a channel trade that, essentially formed back in here in February of 2017. You guys came up, you guys got a little bit outside of it, came back down, and just been bouncing off this and then coming up here. So I guess this right here would almost confirm a channel trade because it has been in here a few times. I wouldn't go home and say this is necessarily a best channel trade because we've seen much better here with all the charts that we look at. But we're going to be focusing on what's going on right now. There is going to be a slight gap down here. I am going to mark down, but it's starting to hold that 10-day simple moving average as a support. And I'm guessing, I'm going to guess here, that 20-day simple moving average is going to play a more significant role in this one than the 10-day. You guys have that gap. Like I said, you guys had a gap right here, but it fell off as quick. Look at that. You guys, opened up much lower today than you closed. You guys came back down that 10-day simple moving average, which is what you see here. And if I can go ahead and put this line up here as well, that's the gap that I'm talking about. Notice this gap from right here, how there's no candlestick between there. That's the gap that I'm going to be looking at. Again, where we opened at 0014, so I guess that's where it's going to be. 001939 rather. And the close at 36. So you're going to have a 0003 gap in that general area. Anyway, so let's talk about what's going on right here. Obviously, the volume popped up and dropped off just as quick. We're going to be watching for this level to hold. Again, I mean, that 0019, if you guys would really want to put the bottom support across the bottom here, I would say the 1 penny mark is going to be the must hold, especially back here in March 13th to confirm. That's going to be the must hold area for this one. Otherwise, it will fall apart, in my opinion. So we're going to be watching for this right here. Watch for that gap to fill and then bounce off that 20-day simple moving average, hopefully getting you guys enough momentum to make you through the 30-day simple moving average right here after that pop off. So we're going to be watching for that moving forward. We'll see if Joe has anything to add here because Joe has not went over this one before with us.
Yeah, I'm just pulling it all up right now. Well, I pulled it up actually, but I was just kind of going through it all. All right, so they had their yearly on March 2nd. I pulled that up real quick, and they had a for 2015 they showed no revenue. 2016 they showed $166,346 with the they had a net loss for 2015 of $71,930. And in 2016, they had a positive of $67,140. So let's see. Going down on it. That doesn't sound right. All right, so let's see. Current right now, as of 2015, they had zero cash. As of this right here, December 31st, they had $89,652. So the total assets in 2015 was zero, and in 2016 it was $129,107 total assets. Let's see direct costs. It's new. It's Bitcoin. So obviously there's a lot in here in regards to like where they transitioned from whatever they were doing before into a Bitcoin company, and obviously they improved upon certain things. So I'll just read their profile so you'll know exactly what they do and who they are or whatnot, which isn't there. So gotta pull that up. All right, so the issuer's business operations are each internet-based and are the mining of Bitcoin, a virtual currency and blockchain software development. Bitcoin mining is the process by which transactions are verified and added to the public ledger, known as the blockchain. And also this means through which Bitcoins are released. So that's basically their business description. So they are in the Bitcoin industry. So if you have an opinion, you want to continue doing more due diligence on BTSC, go right over to that board on Investors Hangout. You see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that board.
BTSC 0160 gap at 0136 and 0139. Resistance at 0154 and 02. Support at 0154, 0134, 0119, and 01. Sorry for all them lines, but I really got to make sure that's out there. That 0119, if that breaks 01, will come fairly quick off of that. My personal opinion. Watch for the gap to fill and bounce off the 20-day simple moving average. With this one moving forward, BTSC, if you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know about it over on investorshangout.com/live.